Hi, welcome to this week's video. Today I am packing for Venice. I have tried to figure out like a setup just slightly already. In here I have one outfit and it's very floofy, so which is why this has gotten compressed. It is almost ripping at the seams. This is stuffed, okay, like it's stuffed. Okay, so we're putting it in the bottom of the bag. This is my next outfit. It's like a skirt sweater combo. Little thermal tights once again. It's just a classic. It's really cute, it's cozy, it's warm. That's why we like it. And next I have this little yellow wool cardigan. I call it my grandma cardigan. I think it's so cute. So this is going to be one outfit. Well, part of one. An essential part of it, at least. I'm gonna have a white bra with me. This is a white thermal undershirt. And these are like thermal leggings with like the kind of nude fleece on the inside, so they look, you can see like stretch it, it looks like you're wearing just a thin kind of leggings underneath. But this, along with this black skirt I have and this sweater vest, is going to be my travel outfit, so that's why this is just over here on the side, so that's staying there. Outfit number one, we got a thermal sweater under this sweater vest, we got a belt, the skirt, thermal tights underneath. Because here we have 1, 2, 3, and I have this light pink little high neck moment, but it's not quite a turtleneck. It's also coming with us. Let's see. This, I have a little microfiber towel, and this is my little travel comb. I love it. This is my toiletries in here. I have like deodorant, a little scent, toothpaste, and like shower stuff on the back. They're miniature sized. I have a teeny little bag with all my makeup that I'm bringing for the trip. So it's going in here. And I just have these black pants as well that I will also be wearing along with some of the other stuff. Just dressy black pants. Let's see, let's get these folded up. Doo-doo. And I'm also bringing a pair of thermal leggings to have under the pants. This is like normal black ones. Let's see this. I am also bringing, I also have the luggage weight attached to see how heavy the backpack's going to be at the end of this. I'm also going to be stuffing my computer in here soon. And I'm bringing a little Carnevale mask, you know, gotta fit in with the crowd. So this is coming, but this is going on top of everything else. Just to show you how it looks like so far. This is it. I'm going to compress it a bit more. I also have straps here on the side. I can clip everything together and then I can tighten them. So this is just me trying to figure out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one last sweater to stuff in here. Just give me a second. The last sweater is this cherry red turtleneck. This is just it. It's a very nice color. So let me just fold it up, stuff it in here. Okay, let me try and see if everything fits. I also have space in here, in this pocket, for like dirty clothes or wet clothes, but I'm not gonna have wet clothes, so it's just gonna be dirty clothes as well. Now I'm gonna let gravity do the work for me and make space at the top. put this in just very carefully. I'm gonna put some socks in between, but everything fits for now. Let me take her out. I'm gonna go put some socks to put, because she's very glittery. Let's see. Now we're gonna line the back and parts of the front the socks so she doesn't break, well, in transport. Do we put inside or do we do this again? No, yeah, we do that again. Okay. Let me just yep. Front and back. There we go. Now we are fully packed. I'm just gonna go get my computer as well. Cannot forget this bad boy. So let's put it in. And then this is packed. We're gonna get my purse for the trip. I am back. So to pack my purse, I'm bringing my Dr. Martens purse, or Doc Marten purse. So let me just open it up. First thing I'm putting in here is going to be an umbrella, because I'll be spending a day and a half in London and then 3 days in Venice. So an umbrella for London. This is my little jewelry bag. So I got like here. So I have all my jewelry in there, and I'm keeping that as close to me as possible. I'm gonna put it, actually no, I'm gonna put this in the backpack, in this top pocket. There we go, slide her in. And this is my purse kind of bag. In here I just have like, I have pads, tampons, I have a nose spray, I have tissues, I have lip balm, I have cough kind of tablets, I guess, yeah, tablets. I have some gum, some hair ties. This goes in all my purses and my wallet. And then I have like my phone in the outer pocket. And then there we go, with plenty more space. It's gonna be my little thing on this trip. Yeah, that's it for the most part. Yeah, I have everything. I have all my clothes, I have my jewelry, my toiletries. In here I have this, and I'll be bringing the chargers as well in the purse for everything, as well as the camera is also going in the purse. And that I want to have like as on hand as possible, because it's my camera. I can't risk losing the camera at all. So it's going in the purse, and the purse is getting strapped tight with the buckles, so it's not possible to really open it without physically undoing all the buckles on this thing. It can be unpractical at times, but it's nice and I am very much okay with it. So yeah. And also, thank you so much for watching this video. It's probably not going to be too long, but thank you either way for watching the video, and I hope you had so much fun. And I am so excited to go to Venice now and London. So I'm gonna bring you with me. I'm gonna see you again next week, next Wednesday, for a Venice vlog and a maybe little London vlog as well, maybe, but we'll see.